We in the red one today. Got a Kit Kat for breakfast with some coffee. Do a little tug test. Alright. Gotta straighten the steering wheel out. Okay. Back in the tractor trailer today. Still not my tractor trailer. On a relief route still. People taking vacations, so I fill in for them until I get my own route. Been in a box truck the past 2 days. Matter of fact. Sure, yeah. Let's see. Oh, we got a little problem back there. This ain't supposed to be hanging. Oh, that's nasty, man. Come on. God dang it, bro. Oh, shoot. That's the cord for the lift gate. That sucks. That's all on my hand, on my finger at least. Anyways, we got a nice little overnight run to Colorado. Gonna drive through Colorado. That thing jumping out of, going back and forth between box trucks and semis. They both drive different. Anyways. Kit Kat for breakfast. Like I said, got about a 6-hour drive to the first stop, and then I got about probably 4 or 5 stops for the day throughout Colorado. Man, these windows is dirty. This thing driving somebody else's truck. Anyways, the window's dirty. I'm gonna have to clean those. Let's see. I don't know how buddies see out of these windows, man. God dang. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop at the truck stop up here. It's a Lowe's up here, and wash these windows. Yeah. Windows and the mirrors is horrible. Anyways, 6-hour drive to Colorado to my first stop. Then we got about 4 or 5 stops there, and then I think tomorrow is all day driving back, which is cool. That's why I really like these overnight. Come on, bro, what you doing? You got the right of way. I really like these overnights because they don't put too much on you here. Usually about 5 or 6 stops, 7 at the most. Warner. FedEx pulling them doubles. You know how many times I applied for FedEx? Yeah, look at these. Y'all probably can't see in the video, but these windows is horrible. So let's jump out. Where the gloves at? No glove, no love. Look at that. That one. Look at this. God dang. Look at the difference. I don't want to close the door because I know these, I don't know if y'all know anything about these, I tasted that shit. Shoot. I got some water in my mouth. I ain't got the spare key. Even the inside, oh man, the inside of this window is horrible, bruh. I should have brought my Windex with me.
Customer 9, your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 2.
Look at that, it's a big difference, man. I don't think they, let me stop, it ain't my truck. I can't complain, it ain't my truck. Well, I'm about to let so much light up and I got splashed again. I'm gonna have to buy some Windex though for the inside. It's making a difference, but it's like on both sides of the window. Almost want to take this on the inside and wipe the windows down. Shoot. It's a big difference, but still need. Ooh, my boys. All right, let's get out of here. All right, let's start the video again. Welcome to the channel, Ricky in the Truck. Please like, subscribe, share to the channel. Your boy is no longer OTR. I'm in somewhat of a food service delivery job. I haul coffee products out of the Midwest. We doing a relief route right now, leaving the city, heading to Colorado. Got about a 6-hour drive to my first stop. Dixie truck, that's a nice truck. That's a 13 speed. I know that truck. Hot shot boys out here. He ain't got no load on there. He ain't got no cars back there. That the Dodge Ram 2500. Okay. 6-hour drive. I made some coffee there in the shop. When I get to that first stop, I am going to get me a cinnamon roll and a large hot chocolate. I'm about to jump on 80. Jump on 80 and it's gonna be like 500 miles this way. Now it's like it's 400 miles. It's around 400 miles for the day. 400 miles to my first stop. Put it like that. Oh shoot. 400 miles to my first stop. Oh. Let's see. Shoot. All right, y'all. I'm about to listen to my audio book. Y'all know how I get down. I jump on here, start the video, and then if I'm going anywhere over 300 miles, we listen to the audio book all the way there. Let's see, what book am I listening to? The book I'm currently listening to right now is Never Split the Difference. I have the audio book and the paperback. Shoot, I'm trying to get the armrest to get. Never Split the Difference. It's a negotiation book right now. Let's see. Make that turn. I mean, these windows look so much better, but they still so horrible. So I used to have a pressure washing company where I did, you know, residential and commercial, and then I did commercial window cleaning. I think I might have to start that back up to start fleet washing. I don't know if we got anybody to wash our trucks here at the company. Charge them $80 a truck. I think we got about 15 trucks, $80 a truck. That'd be some good money. 400-mile trip, 336 miles straight on I-80. I'll be back with y'all once I get a little closer to the stop. If y'all got any questions about trucking, please leave them in the comment section. Peace. Who is this? Hey, buddy. Ooh, you got it. You got it. Somebody wasn't using their mirrors. Bro, you got a split axle. You can't. Somebody didn't have their head on the swivel. Could at least use a signal or something, buddy. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna stop. At the a little further down the road. I gotta find that receipt. I ain't paying for no death. Again, that's what been in somebody else's truck. But at the same time, I can take responsibility. I'm driving it. Alright, I'll be back with y'all once I get to the truck stop to fill up with some death from the actual truck stop. Alright, let's put that death in there. Oh, shoot. Where my gloves at, man? Gloves right there. I gotta put some def. The def is low, and I'm too far. I'm about an hour away. Again, I'm an hour away from the truck stop where my car to work. So this little thing came out. Stop for one. Okay. Stop for one thing, but it's something else that happened. Alright. I'm still about 2.5 hours away from my stop. I don't know if this will fit in that trash can. Heck no. Alright, that ain't gonna fit. So I'm gonna have to dump it off at the next, well, once I get to the Love's. Cap is on. All right, we got a full truck. I'm at my first stop, and I just drove 6 hours to get here. I think they got 2 pallets, both of these pallets right here, and I'm gonna use the pallet jack and get them off. All right, I ran out of hours. I was down to the last minute, literally the last minute. All because I was feeling tired, so I stopped and took about a 45-minute nap earlier. And like I said this morning, there was no DEF in there, so I had to stop and buy DEF. So that was literally by about an hour, and I was an hour short of getting to. That was about an hour, but I was like 45 minutes short of getting to the hotel that I was supposed to be at. I'm by like 7 hotels. None of them accept the CLC card, except the Hampton. But I noticed that because I seen SAIA, S-A-I-A, I seen about 5 of their trucks parked up front. But the thing is, they all bobtail. I got the trailer. There was no space to park there. And I stopped at this Best Western right here to see. And the dude told me I could park at the behind in that field right there, because he works here as well. So he said thank you for at least asking, because I was gonna park right here, but like I said, I asked. He said that wasn't a good spot, so I'm about to go get checked in at the Hampton. I'll be back once I get in the room. All right, so I finally, oh, that's echoing. All right, I finally made it to the room, literally with 1 minute left. Today has not been the best day. It's my truck over there. But it might be my last time doing one of these overnights. It's cool and all, but it is not going too well. So I might have to talk to them. I need to say I need to be local, like in town, because this ain't doing it. Whew. What I'm doing here is putting an order what my stop's gonna be. So pretty much how they got it in order back here. I finished these 1, 2, 3, 4. I did these 4 stops today. I got 1, 2, 3 stops left. It's supposed to be in this order. They open at 5, they open at 5:30, and they open at 5:30. Again, I didn't make it to where I was supposed to be today because I ran out of hours. I'm supposed to be about 20 minutes from this store. But at the same time, I'll be backtracking. The store open first, but I'll be backtracking if I went in this order. So pretty much I'll just use Google Maps, and I'm gonna have to move some stuff around in the morning, but I'm gonna hit this store first, that store second, and then this store, then I'm gonna hit the Interstate 80 to go all the way back home. If I go in this order, it's like 600 and some miles to deliver all these and get back home. Like I said, 600 some miles in like 9, almost 10 hours. But if I go in this order right here, it'd only be like 8 hours, 8.5 hours drive time. Yeah, so I'll save an hour. Like I said, it all got messed up because I didn't make it close here. Regardless, it would have been backtracking. Just this store opens first, which is crazy. But yeah, I went ahead and reordered it. They open at 5:30. I'm getting up at 4. It's like a 45-minute drive. So I will be at their door at 5:30 when they open up. Then this one is like 20 minutes away from there. And this is the longest drive back. And then I can jump, I forget which interstate it is, but after I get finished this one, it's going to be a 12-hour day. It's going to be a 12-hour day regardless. It would have been closer to 14 pushing it going in this order. But right now, I'm pretty much chilling. I'm about to jump in that bed. Well, actually, I'm about to finish all cleaning up my mess up. And I've already ordered something to eat. Let me show y'all what it looked like. I've already ordered something to eat from Buffalo Wild Wings. I ordered a cheeseburger. And that should be here within the next 30, 40 minutes. After I eat, shower, clean up, eat, shower, and hit the bed. I'll be back with y'all first thing in the morning. Probably when I'm straightening out the truck. Probably when I'm reorganizing the truck, getting everything in order. And once also on the way to the first delivery. So until then, peace. All right, I just finished my last stop from the day. That one got sent back. But I got my carts and my pallet jack, my pallet stacked up. I ain't got no broom, but I'm gonna sweep it out when I get back. First thing we're gonna do is take them pallets to the back. Take that pallet to the back, drop them buckets off, put these straps away, and then we're gonna head out. All right, let's jump on the road. We gotta go throw this trash away over there real fast. Let's go throw this away, get our paperwork, and roll out. Got about a 6-hour drive back home. All right, it is 444. Oh, that's the Jay-Z album, or song. But it is 4:44. I was supposed to be back here 20 minutes ago. If I would have drove straight through, but I didn't. I had to stop. I drove 5 hours and 15 minutes straight, and I had to stop to use the restroom and grab a snack because I have not eaten all day. So now I'm like probably 4 or 5 minutes away from the depot. I'm about to drop this truck and trailer, do a post trip, clean out the back, and head home. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on. We all trying. This since they built this is the worst corner ever. That needs to be widened to where this could be a double turning lane. You got the trucks turning to go in there, and then you got a lot of trucks to turn to keep straight to come up here. Let's see. I don't think y'all know how tired I am. Shoot. I maybe got 10 hours of sleep in the last 2 days. I stopped to take a power nap. That's why I got behind yesterday. Come on. Make the space. Make the space. Cause we all turning. We all turning. Could have left me some space, you seen. There you go. There we go. I do have, actually the manager offered me tomorrow off. I took it, but I do have to log in to do some videos. I got like 2 videos left. It's more like one video, one full video, and then one video that's like it's like a partial. That's a gym right there. Get off work and go to the gym, huh? I got up, and started working before the sun came up, and I'm shutting down when the sun is gone. Listen, I was in the beautiful Colorado. Now I'm here in Nebraska. Listen, I'm from Nebraska, and I'm gonna tell y'all, Nebraska straight bull crap. It is. Listen, I literally watched the beautiful sunset in my mirror as I drove into gloomy Nebraska. Look, everybody else is back already. Their door, yep. All right, we're about to do a little maneuvering. Too tight. We got it. Just gonna get in them lines. Listen, UPS drivers, they are some of the wildest drivers. I used to drive for FedEx, and they drive. Them boys don't stop. Okay. Oh man. Excuse the backing up. I'm used to the split axle. Flatbed. If y'all do not know, Ricky in the truck started out with flatbed, 3.5 years of flatbed. So this bump and dock stuff is relatively new. After 5 minutes. Alright, let's go check out the space. I'll just make sure I lined up with it. Yep. I'm out of here, y'all. Well, post trip. I'll be back once I get my car. Well, it's been a good 2 days. A rough 2 days, busy 2 days. 13 hours yesterday and about 12 and a half today. From Nebraska to Colorado, did about 8 drops. Got an hour behind, but we was able to make it up by rearranging them last 3 stops this morning. Now I'm about to go get me a burger from Buffalo Wild Wings. So until next week, we'll be in Michigan next week. So until then, peace.